This track is based on the Fiji coat of arms. It's based on the twins that's on the Fiji coat of arms that has its bloodline entrenched in the Fijian race. My ancestors, I'm actually writing about my ancestors. But I've always wanted to do this for Fiji Rugby for a very long time, because I have passion, for Fiji Rugby and for Fiji as a whole. The Black Rose has always represented Fiji in 4 Pacific Arts Festivals, 3 Melanesian Arts Festivals, the Commonwealth Games Festival. We've done the Moroccan Festival. But amidst all that, in my heart, I know there's still one more thing that I needed to do. And I'm really grateful and honored to get to ask Mr. Simi here if we could propose a song for Fiji Rugby. It's an amazing track done by the Roses, but the whole composition of it is based on I think just the whole Pacific way, love, happiness, and excelling in everything that we do. The thing is, my previous songs, I'm no stranger to FM 96. I think my song was the first local song to be played here, Round Day. That was with Malakai Visamasang. So every rugby tournament worldwide, I used to hear the Black Rose song Round Day, all being played. But I just feel like it needs a shift. It needs something more grounded, more earthy, more original. Round Day was written by my great-grandfather. But it's about, the war, the Battle of Midway. So I wanted to write something original. So I told the boys, hey, why don't we write something? We did this in June, but I think the timing was perfect. And we've got Mangrove Productions. But all in all, it's a great honor for me to do this for Fiji Rugby and the people in general, and for the warriors out there. See, music for me, my experience through my 23-year, almost 30 years experience touring and all, music sort of holds the medium in society. It shapes fashion. It can make or break. So it depends what sort of lyrics that you put out, the music, the style of music that you put out. What message are you trying to convey to the people? You wanna bring them hope, or you wanna make them feel good and feel proud, a sense of pride from where they come from, and that's all those elements is what we have put together in this track. It's just patriotic, rather, for Fiji.
One of the reasons that the coach, head coach Simon, took the boys to Taveuni was to reconnect with their Vanua. They may be from different villages, different provinces here in Fiji, but it's the lifestyle, it's how they were brought up. At village level, to see the struggle to reconnect with their Vanua and actually remind them, ground them with the belief that they are fighting this war that they are about to fight in the World Cup in France for the people. They are ambassadors of this country, and it's a powerful message behind the song that these two mediums, strong mediums that make or break a nation, rugby and music. The combination between the two, we believe, will motivate not only the players but the Fijians of all races, of all, of all kinds, all colors, to come together and unite behind this team and cheer them on to in this World Cup to perform at the highest standards that they can reach. Um, these boys, they are ready to go, and this music is a boost for them. It's another way in which the trustees and in conjunction with Rosello or Black Rose, we wish to show our appreciation and our full support for the players, that when they hear this music, see the music video, and it will remind them who they are fighting for. Yeah, the team is has prepared well. They've settled down. They've put everything behind them. I mean, we need to ensure that the boys are focused. We ensure that the environment that is provided to them is friendly and is an environment that will ensure that they perform to the best of their abilities come Monday. The message from the coaching team and the players been positive. They will, they're ready to go. This song that we would call the official song for the Flying Fijians at the France Rugby World Cup 2023 is an added boost and a motivation. It will motivate them to perform better and reach whatever stage of their games that they a higher standard of the game. Yeah, I think the story behind the song is Jim as stated. It's based on the coat of arms. From the coat of arms, it's very clear that there is our motto as a nation, as Rerewa kana kalu kan kana tui. For that, I would like to tell the boys that they should not fear anyone going into this game. Fear God alone, and respect the people that have that in France, the French who've looked after them, chosen to look after them. The Renaissance Hotel in Bordeaux, the owners of that country. I give them the respect that they deserve. Respect the Welsh, and you should get there.
For me, first of all, I'd like to thank Fiji Rugby, for standing by, the players all throughout these years. They've toiled hard. They've had their highs, they've had their lows. It's not an easy job, but one thing that I applaud Fiji Rugby for is instilling happiness in the people. I would sit on my porch in Ned and I just hear people yelling, when Fiji scores a try. For me, that's hope. That's where Fiji Rugby comes in. They've instilled hope in the people. And with that, through that hope, it brings bond, between the races, bond between cultures because of rugby. Why? Because we all love rugby. And now Fiji Rugby has done an amazing job with the inception of the Drua franchise as well. it's a seesaw aspect of and it's not easy because this is a small nation. All we have is our heart and our pride and the memories of our childhood that's carrying us through. Budget-wise, may not be it, but it's all about pride. So I would ask the Fiji public, please just rally behind these players, win or lose, because we don't know what happens on the field, only they know. Plenty of times we keep judging from the sideline, but when you're on the field, it's different. But just support the boys, support FRU, and support music in general. And on that note, I'd really like to take this time to thank, on behalf of the Roses, thank FM 96, for giving us the time to come and, release the song, the track. It's also quite moving for me because I'm currently in talks with PNG. There's a guy there who used to work for Total Events. His name is Emil Tenor. So he's taking us to PNG in October. So this connection between Black Rose and FM 96 or Total Events goes way back. Right from Ian and Loretta Jackson's time when we started at the Trade Winds in 1993. They were the managers there. And they've always advised me, should do this, should do this. So we were always having a mix on a nightly basis. But they really instilled in me a lot of confidence, to pursue music to its highest level. And I owe it to them. So it's been a connection from way back then. But on that note, thank you so much to the staff and the management of CFL for giving me this opportunity, and to Fiji Rugby Union and its board. It's a dream come true. I'm so hyped. I don't know what I'll be able to sleep tonight or no, because I'm heading right back to Nandi. But Black Rose is there for the people, and Drua I Valu is for the people. For the people in general. So I hope you'll all enjoy the track. It's done with a lot of love and respect.